Hey guys, I'm Shraddha. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all top 10 random things which are under rupees 500 and are so good. You can let me tell you, they don't belong to like a particular category of like makeup or skincare or stuff like that. There are no makeup products actually. They're just like random things which you can use here and there, and they work like a dream. So yeah guys, if you want to know what those 10 things are, keep on watching. So guys, coming to the first item in no particular order and whatever comes into my hand, it is actually this one. This is the Livon Shake and Spray Serum, which has express salon finish hair. This is how the product looks like, and if you have seen my how to stay hygienic all day long video, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you haven't, I'll make sure to link that down in the description box below so that you can check it out. It has a lot of information in it. So coming to this serum, oh my god guys, I have like a super dry frizzy hair. So I won't say that it really smoothens my hair and leaves my hair super silky and all. No, it doesn't do that. But if you have if you have gone for like a really long day in a lot of wind, and your hair is all tangled up and dry, and if you're combing your hair, you have like a hell load bunch of hair in your comb, then this can help you out. This can easily detangle your hair, and maybe if you have like a normal hair type, I'm sure it's gonna make your hair silky. But my hair type, it doesn't really make it silky, but it has two benefits. One, it can remove tangles very easily, and secondly, it has got such a good fragrance, and this retails for like what, only 250 rupees. So this can be used like a detangle for your hair and also like a hair perfume. I know hair perfumes are so expensive out there in the market, and people are kind of afraid to use like a body mist onto their hair. So this is such a good alternative, and it smells, oh my god, it has such a good smell, and the smell lasts for a good amount of time as well. So yeah, it has two benefits. It can detangle your hair. Maybe if you have like not as frizzy and dry hair as mine, it can also give you like a nice shine. So it's like a really multi-purpose product. So yeah, I would totally recommend it. So guys, coming to the second one, like my video is all over the place because I'm not going in any particular order. It is actually a perfume. This is a perfume called Ramson's You're Lovely, and this is how it looks like. Perfume retails for 148 rupees, and if I'm not 140 rupees, sorry, it retails for 140 rupees, and actually got it on sale for like 98 rupees, which is such a steal. If you are searching for a perfume, like an everyday perfume which you can just throw into your bag, and actually you don't even need it all day long. I used it like what, twice, if you can see. Have used very little amount of it guys. It has such a good fragrance. It lasts for a long time, and it has got that feel, it makes me so happy. And it retails for like 140 rupees, and what else do you need? Like, a lot of people spend hell loads of monies on perfumes, and they don't tend to last for a long time, whereas this one, it's gonna last all day. You need not even use like a huge quantity of it. You can spray it like 2 sprays and you're done for the day. It works so well, and it is, even the packaging is like so pocket friendly. Like, you can literally throw it in your handbag and you're done. Love it so much. Coming to the next one, it is actually the Swiss Beauty's Dip and Twist Nail Polish Remover. This particular thing retails for 99 rupees. I'm sure Blue Heaven has a similar packet which retails for like 70 rupees. But if you're gonna order that one online, 50% of the product is gonna come leaked because they don't really have like a secure packaging on the outer side. Whereas this one, it is like so good, it didn't leak even a drop. So I would highly recommend this. And even that thing has like a super strong fragrance, whereas this thing, I'm sure there are like a lot of variants in this one. So yeah, coming to this one, personally, I'm like a super lazy person when it comes to nails. More than applying the nail polish, removing the remaining nail polish is like such a task for me. I really am like, I know there are a lot of those cotton pads where you can just remove it, but no, I have had like really bad like my nails grow really well actually. They grow in a very nice shape, but they're always ungroomed. I can say that because I'm really lazy to remove the nail polish. But when and as soon as I found this, it literally changed everything. I know I sound like those Naptol ads where people be like, ये मैंने यूज़ किया और मेरा ज़िंदगी बदल गया. I can't speak Hindi properly. So no, I'm not advertising that. But this thing is such a lifesaver. You just need to like put in your finger. Like, let me just give you a quick demo. You just need to put in your finger, just twist it, and the nail polish is gonna go in like what, 20 seconds. If you can see, it is almost gone. So yeah, this is how well this works, as it is super handy and it's like so easy. So yeah, and it retails for like what, 99 rupees, which is like the minimum price of like most of the nail polish remover bottles, and maybe even more. So yeah, this is like such an easy, convenient. Going into the same category of nails, I'm talking about the Nykaa Hard Rock Nail Hardener. This is how it looks like. At first, I really thought it was like a transparent, just a transparent nail polish, which of course it is. But coming to the nail hardener part, I really think that it actually works. Particularly, I spend a lot of time in kitchen, like at least sometimes, but whenever I spend time in the kitchen for like 2-3 consecutive days, I'm that person who has to wash hands every 5 minutes, have to wash hands even if I touch a vessel. So I have like a weird OCD that way, so I tend to wash my hands like 100 times a day. So my nails become super soft and they break very easily. But this, from the time I actually started using this, I don't know if my nails have become super strong or what, but at least my nails aren't breaking that easily. So this thing works like so good, and it's transparent. Come on, like whatever nail polish you put, just put a layer of this and you're done. Not only it makes your nail polish last for a good amount of time, but I'm sure it's gonna harden. Coming to the next one, it is actually a lip product. This is actually the Juicy Chemistry's lip scrub in the variant lemon and super mint. This is how it looks like, guys. Personally, I use a lot of lipsticks which are like super long lasting, are super matte, and they don't really go very easily when I just wash it off with my regular face wash or face scrub, even for that matter. Especially the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink, I use it almost every single day, and it doesn't just go away. So I really like using this particular lip scrub. This retails for 325 rupees, which is a little pricey for a lip scrub, but it does not only remove all the matte lipstick on your lips, but it also, let me tell you this, when you apply like a super matte lipstick, after removing it, you have like a lot of dry lips, and you have like a lot of dead skin on your lips, right? This thing removes the remaining lipstick on your lips. It also removes the dead skin, so it has like a really nice oily texture to it. So it really leaves like a nice I won't say it leaves your lips moisturized, but it just clears out your lips, removes all the dead skin, all the lip makeup, everything that is left on your skin. So yeah, would highly recommend this. So guys, coming to the next product, it is again by Swiss Beauty. This is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Highlighter Drop in Glow. This is like a really good product. I particularly don't like using this on my face because I have like good highlighters which I can use on my face. I use this particular highlighter for my hands or my legs whenever I wear like short dresses or anything. I know there are a lot of body highlighters out there which are like super expensive. Look at the texture, oh my god, can you see it? So Huda Beauty's liquid highlighter retails for like what, 3,500 bucks, whereas this retails for is for 350 rupees. 3,500 and 350, like how much is the difference? I know it might have like a really good quality and whatnot, but you know, all you have to do ultimately is to click pictures, so it does a really good job. You cannot this thing like I particularly would like to use it on my hands and legs, but you can actually mix this with your foundation and apply it on your face to give that nice illuminating effect. Or even you can use this like a highlighter on your cheeks, on your nose, in place of like a powder highlighter. You can use this liquid highlighter. It literally has like so many ways to use it. Since that it is liquid one, you can literally mix it in your moisturizer and apply it on your face. Come on, there are like so many uses, and it retails for 350 rupees. If you want to try a really nice budget friendly highlighter, give it a. Coming to the next one is actually a hand cream. This is by Nykaa. This is the Nykaa's Jasmine and Neroli hand and nail cream. So this is how it looks like. Again guys, this is a really nice hand cream. Most of my hand creams or whatever I tried, they become more they tend to make your hands super slippery, so you don't really it's not really convenient for you to do any work. Whereas this thing, it moisturizes your hands and at the same time keep that slippery effect, you know. And coming to this, it is also a nail cream. Personally, I sometimes use clip-on nails, and because of the glue get to chip off, so I really need to moisturize my nails really well. So this particular hand cream does the job. I really like it. So guys, coming to the next one, it is actually the Miss Claire's eyelash glue. This is actually a black color eyelash glue. Trust me when I say this, I tried like hundreds of eyelash glue. Most of them are white. I know they are black eyelash glue. This particular thing, you know, makes your eyelash. I have even used eyelash glues which, you know, after some time your eyelash just comes out. How embarrassing is that if you go out for a party and your half eyelash is hanging. So I have had all weird experiences with eyelash glues. And coming to this particular one, oh my god, it is such a good eyelash glue. It doesn't only make your eyelash stay on for a really long time, but being in a black color, you know, you can't really make a difference even if you like make a mistake. Personally, I am like, I don't know if I have to say I'm new to applying falsies, or you know, I don't really have like I can't really apply them very well. But after I started using this, my eyelash application has become super convenient, and it is super affordable too. Whereas most of the eyelash glues are like, I don't know, like so expensive. Coming to the next one, I really want to talk about this product. This is actually the Very Me Peach Me Perfect Body Glow. This is how it looks like. I'm not sure if it is available on Nykaa or any other site. This is actually from this company called Oriflame. Yeah, this retails for 300 rupees exactly. It has those little shimmer particles in them. So if you want to apply that liquid highlighter, you can actually mix it in this cream, because this particular thing purpose is also to give a glow, but this thing, it doesn't last for a very long time. And talking about the smell, it smells heavily. It actually smells like peach. That is what reminds me of the smell. But this is a really good product. It moisturizes your hands, your legs, and at the same time it leaves a really nice glow. If you don't really want to use like a liquid highlighter, only this can actually work. So coming to the last product, it is actually this lip sleeping mask by Laneige. This is how it looks like. This is such a beautiful product. This retails for exactly 500 rupees for 8 grams. Actually, you don't really need like a good like a lot of it. I'm using it for the past 1 month, and yeah, this is how much I used it. This leaves your lips so soft, so smooth, so moisturized whenever you apply it. I applied at night, and the morning the next day I get such good lips. This is such an impressive product. works wonders. 10 products are already done, but I just wanted to add 2 more. If you are new to my channel, you would probably not know this. If you have seen at least like 2-3 of my videos, you know how much I swear by these products. It is of course the Pond's Light Moisturizer. This is how it looks like. I use it every single day. This is like my 100th tub. Mine is like a super dry skin. I really can't do without it. I need it day and night. As soon as I wash my face, I need it. Super light on the skin. Can be used under your makeup. Such a versatile product. I can't appreciate this enough. If I get a chance to talk to the Pond's company, I would totally thank them for inventing this product. And coming to the 12th product, I just wanted to hop in because I just don't want to repeat like the same products now that I spoke a lot about them. But if you're like a new subscriber, then you'll know. And coming to the next one, it is actually the Nivea's Musk Talc. This two together, the combination is like, I don't know, maybe rain and samosas. I love them so much, guys. This powder is like so good. Even if you have like a really oily skin, it mattifies your skin. No matter like trust me when I say this, no matter what your skin tone is, it's gonna just blend in into your skin, and it's gonna mattify it. Especially for the people who have like a oily skin type, they want like a really matte effect, they can totally go for this powder. Because it not only mattifies your skin, it makes your face look fresh throughout the day. This is such a good. So that is all for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel because that would mean the absolute world to me. And do let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to do more such videos under ₹1,000, 1,500 makeup related products or anything. I would be happy to do that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.